stamen and the female reproductive organ is pistil. Okay, stamen consisting of anther and the filament. Anther and this one is filament. And the female reproductive organ, that is pistil. Pistil consisting of stigma, style, and this one is ovary. So ovary is the female reproductive part of a plant. Okay. So anther consisting of, inside anther, they are consisting of pollen grains. So inside anther there is pollen grains. The inside the pollen grains, they are consisting of male gametes. So anther is not a male gamete. Inside anther there is pollen grains. Inside the pollen grains there is male gametes. These male gametes are responsible for reproduction. Okay. So in case of pistil, there is stigma, style and ovary. This part is stigma and the stem-like structure is style and this is ovary. So ovary is responsible for reproduction. So inside ovary there is ovule. So inside ovary there is ovule. Inside ovule there is female gametes. There is female gametes. So these female gametes are responsible for reproduction. Okay. So inside ovary there is ovule. Inside ovules there is female gametes. These female gametes are responsible for reproduction in pistil and male gametes are responsible for reproduction in stamen. Okay, the crossing of these two will become a seed, or inside the seed there will consisting of a new plant. Okay, this is the reproduction in plants. Then the next topic is pollination. So what is pollination? This is an important one. Pollination. Pollination is the transfer. So this is the male reproductive organ and this one is the female reproductive organ. Okay, this one is the female reproductive organ. Okay, so the transfer of male gametes from stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive organ in flowers. The transfer of male gametes from anther of stamen to stigma of pistil is called pollination. Okay, this is a transfer of male gametes from stamen to the pistil is called pollination. Okay, there are two types of pollination. That is self-pollination and the next one is cross-pollination. So self-pollination and cross-pollination. So what is self-pollination? Self-pollination means the pollination takes place in the same flower of a same plant. Then it is called a self-pollination. Suppose this is a flower of a plant. So this flower also consisting of pistil and stamen. So pistil and stamen, the pollination is between these two. Okay, the pollination takes place in the same flower of a same plant. Then it is called self-pollination. So what is cross-pollination? Cross-pollination is the pollination takes place the different flower. It also consisting of other flower. The pollination takes place the different flowers of a same plant is called cross-pollination. Okay, this is very easy topic. So self-pollination means the pollination takes place in the same flower of a same plant. And the cross-pollination is the pollination takes place in the different flowers of the same plant. This is called a cross-pollination. Okay. After fertilization, the zygote will develop into embryo. Okay. So this is a structure of a, suppose this is a structure of a seed. This seed consisting of two cotyledon. two halves, that is two cotyledon, and inside the cotyledon there is a small structure like that is called a plumule. Okay, this two, suppose for example in groundnut, the groundnut consisting of two halves. These two halves, inside the two halves there is a small structure. Okay, the small structure is responsible for the future plant. So these two halves, that is the two cotyledon, which function is store food. Okay, store food that is necessary for the plumule. This plumule will become a plant after germination. This process is called germination. So germination is the process of becoming a new plant from a seed. That is called germination. Germination is also called a seedling. That is seedling. That is growing of new plant from a seed is called germination. Okay. So this part will become future shoot. Shoot. That is shoot means that consisting of leaf, stem, etc. And this, the lower part, that will become future root. Okay, that consisting inside, that will be the root. The function of root is to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, so this is the future shoot and future root. Okay, so this is the whole topic of reproduction in flowers. Then next we have to study the reproduction in human beings. Okay.